Hi, I'm Pearl from Girls Can, back with another book review. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. Just been pretty busy with homework and stuff, but I hope you guys are all enjoying your summer. So let's just get into the video. Today I am reviewing Land of Stories, Worlds Collide. This book is by Chris Colfer. If you don't know him, you might know him as an actor. He plays as a character in the show Glee. Pretty good show. But anyways, this is the sixth book in the series, and yes, this is a series. It's probably one of my favorite series I've read so far. Yeah. So this book is about two twins named Alex and Connor, and they're on another adventure. To save the fairy tale kingdom in this world as well. There's a lot of detail in this book, and there's just so much awesome characters. They also bring in characters from other books, like classics like Wizard of Oz or Alice in Wonderland. So yeah, I like this book. It has a good beginning, good ending. And in case you're wondering, this is all like just one big adventure. It all ties together, and yeah, if you like nonfiction, fantasy, fairy tales, adventure, even something that's a little funny, this is definitely a good book for you to read. That and all the other books that come before it. I really enjoyed the book. I think the ending was pretty good, and I hope you check it out at your local library or bookstore and read this book. So that's all I have for today. Please comment and subscribe, and see you next time.